You guys are back with Yo 6 Explorer. I started a little late. Been having trouble getting this hatch. Sometimes it unlocks, sometimes it wouldn't. And so, you can see here, we already have it kind of taken apart. I just want to show you how easy it was to take apart. So we got the rear panel off. There's two 8mm screws right here. Let's see, there we go. Right here. The hold, or the grab handle where you pull down. That's all you need to take this panel off. And then the rest is just the spring clips here that you can just pop off. Super easy. So, I had just guessed that it was the actual electronic actuator, which this is the new one. Let's see. There we go. This is the new one that we ordered. This is a genuine Motorcraft part because I don't want to have to deal with this in another, however long it takes. Looking to see how it's put in here. It looks like it sits in this way. So let's see if we can. So there's where the old part is, right here. One connector, just have to figure out how to pull that out, and then we'll get the new one put in. So let's see here. Doesn't like that. I know there's a clip piece right there. I wonder if that's what's holding it in. So this is the locked position. Let's see, it won't unlock all the way. So let's try. Get this all taken apart.
Look what that's doing. You like what that's doing? What's that thing on the card?
It's for the lock.
That's where I've searched. I can't go in there. I did not go.
We go in this way. I'm not sure entirely how this thing comes out.
I call you Snatchy Googa.
Okay, so don't play that, buddy.
Snatch me! I'm not a Snatchy Googa.
Okay, so I got my. This is just a cat. Let me get a flat head. It looks like I was able to pry up just between here and here. It just pops right out. That's simple enough. We've got our little tab guy here. Slide off. Well. I gotta put that back on. Oh. Come on. See that in the hole. Of course, helicopter. Who would have known? Jeez. Let's lock it. Unlock it. There we go.
Dad, why did your thing come in such a small box?
Okay.
Is the truck outside?
Mm-hmm.
Backyard?
I don't know. Ask Violet where she put it up.
Where'd you put it?
Okay. Push that down as
This way.
hard as we can go. There we go. And with that, my friends, looks like it's in. We got a lock. And we got an unlock. Perfect. If I grab the handle now, it'll work. And perfect. Okay, guys, now as simple as just popping that panel back in place and getting everything put back together. So, you're gonna recap here. So you got everything. Just get yourself a flathead screwdriver, put it in there, just wiggle it up to where it kind of goes on the piece right here. Let's see here. Show you on this guy. So right there's a piece of metal, focus, that just went up through there. And so you brought it, you pushed it down onto that piece right there. Then you just have the one electrical connector right there to take care of. Super easy. So really the only thing you need to do this job was flathead screwdriver to pry this up off the thing, and then an 8mm socket set to pull the cover off. Like I said, just those two 8mm screws right where the handle hold is, and then everything else just spring clips just to push on and pull off. Okay, guys. That being said, if you liked what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos, and we'll see you next time.